Candidate number 4. Very simple ang atake ng kanyang costume. Sino ang nag-inspire sa'yo para gawin yan? Or baka may gusto kang pasalamatan ng friends mo na gumawa ng very interesting costume mo tonight.
Kasi po, parang siyang, kasi siguro po siya, activity po like yung mga swimming po.
Okay, kaya may towel. Always ready. Okay, kindly pick your question. Okay, your question is, so far, what is your best experience here in Puerto Princesa?
Ang best experience nila po is yung island hopping po. Yung pinupunta po namin yung iba't ibang islands po dito and yung next po is yung
Yung